I wouldn't lie, man. I think the beefs were like what's been happening. I think it's just been competitive. I think it's been good for the game, you know?
I
Like
think it's
I
boring.
think so. If it starts getting violent, then I'll have a problem with it. But hip hop is a competitive sport.
I just don't want to diss these guys. I want to motor it down.
No,
I swear down, though,
Nah.
bro. Like I promise you,
nah.
I don't look like the guy or the type of guy who fights.
Yeah.
Because I don't like fights. I left that in the hood
Yeah.
coming up. But that they really pissed me off because that's the thing of me telling kids.
Whoa, rate me, I'm a king, just no one Reezy. Anybody who say young Teshi, just know that guy is crazy. Whoa, rate me, I'm a king, just no one Reezy. Anybody who say young Teshi, just know that guy is crazy. Whoa. Dokotela, sebenza kubathi harmful. Tell me I don't mind you. They will say I'm a cartoon. Fuck them, I'm a pantun. Look at the girl who young fool. Genza njani manje young boo. Sisi shui in my room. So calm, say a boom. Every girl in my life is a shit. I don't know, I'm a boss of flick. Every girl is my highway lane. Try me or we eat they cake. Last week I was chilling with Pay, like gave me my thing. She said, let's do it again, do it again.
Let's do it again. Smoking on nigga, smoke even quiet. Pega kulu don't even know how. Shona Mp3 young thing how. Penduki kola, I'm calling too much. She's a kulu sang fun and they laugh. I'm cooking umpegi young yena no chef. Young duzu ya kola mashia bele. Tombaki young funny sing with the libel. No milipi rap I'm in man. I'm doing the most thing again is sang man. Free me ashifana no migas. Ochen maveng sinta ba ngibiga. The shunu heavyweight dead wet. I'm just like dead nigga who's dead. Black dope nigga fuck dead. Reezy ya kola hey fuck them.
Cultural sick, we up here.
Brace.
Hey. Dealing with niggas ain't that hard. But I'm a go long from the car. Back in my home, they are full of dogs. Tina Bezala with them guns. Came straight from the mud. Came straight from the dust. Came straight from the slums. Really hope now we ask. Hey, Kulu left us with his weapons. Said I'm a man, I must protect. Said I might get whatever I want. Dead at the top, I'm number one. Not on the chart, they celebrate. I'm number one, they gonna break. I cannot hang with niggas. I cannot trust them niggas, culture.
Rate me, I'm a king, just no one Reezy. Anybody who say young Teshi, just know that guy is crazy. Whoa, rate me, I'm a king, just no one Reezy. Anybody who say young Teshi, just know that guy is crazy. Whoa.
Maniga ngifuna ukuthola umsebenzi kodwa ngizokheza ngifake intelezi ekhaya kugcwele maniga kodwa ngiyakutshela uzolithola nebhinga yithi inkalakazi uma usaze ekhaya abekho oShakir musubanga imincisi culture.
Kicking the doors like Dota Malinga. Swipe ngemali amafishi yangilinga. Shuna muzo babonisa umsholozi. Fuck uthukela sangiphethe ungolozi. Killing these beats I feel like I'm him. Bahlala emqaleni cause I want the bread. Ngabaye, want the bread. Ngabaye.
Biza nebhola zofaka ne-message oma way ngiyothenga nentilisi ntombi yami njengelangi yashisa bakolova bangibiza nebhing beefing with me ngizokudlela nentombi like ngidla umuthi pumelelo iyasondela flow yami like a poet.